Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. So in this video we are going to talk about cucumber MCQs. Okay, so let's get started. So first question is BDD concept was given by. So BDD concept is given by Dan North. Okay, so option you can get like this way Dan North. So just see this is a Dan one DAN. Okay, now BDD stand for. So BDD stand for behavior driven development. Okay, Dash is a BDD tool. So Cucumber we already know. Mocha, Specflow and JBehavior. These all are BDD tools. So option will be all the above. Okay. Which of the following option is not is true for the BDD framework? Okay. See, it's saying increase misunderstanding. No. Reduce cost. Correct. Collaborate development. No business analytics. Yeah, it collaborate development also and business analysis also. So this option is also not correct. Focus on business value. Correct. Increase cost. No. So option will be 2 and 4. Okay. Cucumber supports Java, Ruby, JavaScript and all the options. So Cucumber supports all the language. Okay. So option will be all the options. Cucumber feature file is written in. So Cucumber feature file is written in Gherkin language. Okay. Cucumber dependency need Cucumber JVM depths, Cucumber core, Cucumber Java. So all these three are the dependency of Cucumber. So we required all. So option will be all the above. Dash is the command to install and run Cucumber test. So if you want to install a command, you install and run the Cucumber. So you have to write like mbn, that is maven mbn clean install. Okay. So this will be the answer. Make it mbn. That's a command. So we have to write like mbn one, not maven and all. Maven is used to inject dependency. So answer is false. Okay, Maven is not used to inject dependency. Okay, what does POM stands for? Sorry, POM stands for Project Object Model. Okay, so answer will be Project Object Model. Gherkin has two sections. Yeah, so Gherkin has two sections. First one is feature and second one is scenario. So option will be both feature and scenario. Okay, now Gherkin is both simple and lightweight, simple, none of the options. So Gherkin is lightweight also and simple also. So option will be both. Okay. Gherkin is a dash language. So Gherkin is a line oriented language. Whatever we are writing in line, so it will gives the same concept. So it's a basic simple in English language. Okay, so it's a line oriented language. Line oriented. Okay. Now Gherkin will take care of requirements. So it's a true. Okay. Gherkin supports around 60 well languages, none of the options, few 2 to 3 languages, 10 well-known languages. So Gherkin supports around 30 well-known languages. Okay, so answer will be sorry 60, not 30. It's the 60. Okay, 60 well-known languages. So answer will be around 60 well-known languages. Now scenario is used in file 4. So what does scenario refer? So scenario refer business rule. Okay, description means describing the feature. Okay, write description about feature. Okay, see there are two options you will see. Write description about scenario and the write description about feature. So option will be about feature, not for the scenario. Okay, just remember this point. Now feature file extension is so so feature file extension will be dot feature. Data table is separation can be done using. So yeah, we already see this in our hands on, right? So data, whatever data we are sending in separation of pipe. Okay, this is called pipe. Okay, now when is used to define. So we have three things, right? Given, when and then. So when is defined for a event or a action. Okay, to comment. So to comment we said like hashtag. Okay, we have to give hash and then whatever we want to comment. Okay, given is used to define. Given is used to is define scene of the scenario. Okay, what is the scene? It will define as a given. Okay, when already we have seen here. When means action and then means expected result. Okay, so that also we will see. Yeah, but is but is used to remove repetitive given, remove repetitive then, remove repetitive when, and remove repetitive features. Okay, so but is for remove repetitive then. Okay, so we don't like if you don't want to write then multiple time, so we can give like but. Okay, and is used to, so and is used to remove the repetitive given. Just it's a very similar process, but yeah, please remember these things. Okay, but means remove repetition then, and means remove repetitive given. Okay, now command to run the cucumber file. So if you want to run the cucumber file, so we have to say like run with cucumber.class. Sorry, so we have to write like this one. Okay, now to define the executable java file, we call it in, okay, so we call it in cucumber options. Okay, in our script file at the rate given start with, see at the rate given, so whatever we are starting we have to use this symbol. We have seen this in 9 also. Okay, this is for start with. Okay, to match random character digit. Okay, to match the random character we have to use dot star. Okay, yeah, in our script file at the rate given ends with. Okay, ends with means it's a dollar sign, start with means this one, and end with this dollar sign. Okay, now to get random variable, if you want to get the random variable, so we have to use something like this one. Okay, just remember this one. If it will come in the exam, you can fill it. If not, then no problem. Okay, so difference will be like question mark, then colon, then love, head, and like. Okay, these are the separated by the pipe. Okay, and for the random variable, like whatever it will come from where. So how to get this random variable? So we have to use this one, question marks, and then colon. Okay, in urinary operator also we have seen in some languages like C languages. Okay, tag is used for, okay, tag means taggers feature inherited to all the scenario, organize different data in feature file, prefixes by at the start. Okay, so we are writing at the start, right? So at the rate, sorry, not start, at the rate. So tag is used for all these three, so all the options are true. Okay, so I hope this MCQ are clear to you guys. If not, then go and watch this video again. Okay, and we'll see you in the next lecture for differentiation of MCQ. Thank you. Bye bye.